Today I am going to show you tea garden. Tea garden, Assam, India. Tea or tea garden came to Assam during British East India Company. It was Mr. Robert Bruce who introduced tea or tea plantation in Assam. He introduced in 1823 and he introduced, and then in 1837 tea garden was fully established. And, the tea was first planted in Chabua, Dibrugarh district, Assam. Chabua, in other words, cha means tea, bua means sow. So it was introduced in Chabua. And we have got many tea companies in Assam, many tea gardens. There are 850 tea gardens. In other words, registered tea gardens in Assam. There are also thousands of tea gardens. They are the private ones. Before there were no private tea gardens. Since 25 years, they have given permission to start their own private tea gardens, and so people have started to make, and then now also they are making, and it is flourishing. So, as I said, there are 850 registered tea gardens. And there are so many companies, Birla Company, Andrew Yule and Company, and Tata Company, and so on. Now Dibrugarh is called Tea City of Assam, and Jorhat is called the tea capital of the world. It is not a tea capital of Assam or tea capital of India, but tea capital of the world. Tea gardens are flourishing. Once upon a time, people thought that it was the real steady business. But then suddenly it happened that some tea gardens started to get closed. And why? Because of the market, international market, and main reason was that tea gardens were opened in Sri Lanka as well as in Kenya, South African country, and due to that here some gardens were getting closed. And now what we see is that some gardens have been started to be sold. So many gardens are being sold in Assam. And presently what we hear is that Andrew Yule and Company is planning or discussing to sell some of their tea gardens. altogether in Assam we have got 10 tea gardens of Andrew, Yule and company. In Dibrugarh district we have got in Khowang, in Basmatia, in Tinkhong, in Rajgarh and Bogijan, and so on like that. And one is in Golaghat district. It is called the Murphuloni Garden. So the people are scared. At any time, some of their gardens will be closed. And so we are going to see tea garden now. I will show you the tea garden here, Naurabi tea garden. Naurabi tea garden is a big tea garden, and it has also got a big factory. And there is one more garden, Rajabari garden it is called. They bring tea leaves from there also, they pluck and bring. They have no factory as such. So anyway, this Naurabi is in Charaidau district, Sivasagar, Assam. Now let us see. Naurabi tea garden. Hello, I have come to the tea garden. Here ladies are plucking leaves. This is Naurabi tea garden. Ladies are plucking. Nowadays it is not the peak season. Only few ladies you will be able to see. They are plucking. They come in the morning 6 o'clock, and then 2 p.m. they end. So we are here. This is the tea garden of Naurabi. In Naurabi, they have got a big factory, and there is another garden called Rajabari. From there also they pluck and they bring here in the factory of Naurabi. And so we are seeing them. Ladies are here and there because though it has been raining, leaves have not yet come nicely. See here and there they are. So we are seeing them plucking. So we see them. They are plucking. So let us have interview with them. Hello. Kesan tahare mantorala patai. Patai. Na patai har kam tore hai tore ke itna patai la. They are plucking, and leaves you can see. She is showing, and they used to say that it is called, they call it Etikoli Dutipat. That means two leaves and one bud. So she is showing that one. And so, here we have got the Sardar. One is looking after or guiding the pluckers, tea leaf pluckers. Here the ladies are plucking, and so the Sardar is standing here and he sees them and he directs them and tells them to walk faster. Don't stand simply like that and don't simply talk. So like that he does. So let us ask him what he says. Hello. तुम्हारा की है?
कामू
कामू
मोहन नहीं की
हाँ
विनोद भूया
ओ विनोद भूया अच्छा तो यहाँ तो साइसा सरदार कोरिसा ना
सदर
अच्छा अच्छा तो यहाँ तो केटा बजाता है रातिपुआ काम
रातिपुआ छोटा था
हाँ अरु केटा लैके দুটা লৈকে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আগত 8টা বজাত ধৰিছিলে এতিয়া কিয় এনেকৈ বদলি কৰিলে গৰমৰ কাৰণে আচ্ছা 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 তে কিমান দিন হ'ল
এইটো এসপ্তাহমান হ'ল নি
এসপ্তাহমান হ'ল টেলিং দ্যাট since 1 week they have changed the timetable from 8 a.m. starting time to 6 a.m. And so he is here and so here also we see the tea pluckers are coming. On their hats you can see they are wearing to protect themselves from sun. It is called japi. The japi they are going and bags, in their bags you see they call it tupa or tukri. Small one is called tupa and big ones for collecting together they call it tukri. So tupas are small. Pani khale এতিয়া কি হৈছে এতিয়া ব্ৰেক হৈছে নেকি
নহয়
হা
ব্ৰেক নাই এনেকে কিছুমান ভোক লাগিছে খাই
ৰাতিপুৱা নাই খোৱা সেই কাৰণে বিস্কুট খালো আৰু
the morning they have come without eating anything, so in between they have stopped and then for tea some biscuits they are taking, so that we are seeing that one. Here we can see more ladies are plucking tea leaves and this garden belongs to Birla Company. Birla Company garden it is called, and it is a vast garden, and here I am standing there. In between there is a road. People go. It is called a major road inside the tea garden. So we can see ladies are plucking. Leaves are not much here and there, so ladies are scattered here and there. You can see them. They are plucking. Ladies who are plucking, they are scattered here and there, and here this on the road you can see some ladies are going here and there, they are plucking. So here the Sardar is standing the cycle.
आई के भेज देवा
The ladies are busy in plucking leaves. Most of the people who are plucking tea leaves, they have come, they are originally from Jharkhand side. They are plucking here. They used to stay in the lines together. So many houses are made and they stay there, and they are also given ration. So we are seeing them plucking leaves. This tea garden, tea pluckers have the vague future because so many tea gardens are getting sold. Of course, this tea garden is not yet sold. So they are worried, but where will they go? So tea pluckers are coming, going from here to there, like that, because not much leaves are there. So they have to go here and there and pluck. They have to do it fast.
हेलो
जय जसो तो कहाँ जाता
हनी नहरकटिया जाती
नहरकटिया की नाम है के तोर
मोर नाम है के बरनबास जजो
बरनबास जजो
हाँ।
अच्छा अच्छा तो की काम लगन जाता
ओका धर्म बा नुकसान होला तो यार मटी खटी करे लेकिन जाती
कौन वहाँ नहरकटिया कौन जगह
हेंगरी जान
हाँ
हेंगरी जान
हेंगरी जान कदिया नुकसान
हाँ सुबह
सुबह आज
हाँ हाँ
आज माटी दबाए
हाँ
तो वहाँ जाती
हाँ हाँ वहाँ जाते
ट्रेन से जब
हाँ हाँ ट्रेन से जाते
अच्छा तो ठीक है
हाँ हाँ
Dance, dance, dance all night. Feel the colors, feel the light. Spin around under the moon. We'll become cartoons real soon. Dance, dance, let it go. Ooh, yeah. Feel the rhythm, let it show. Cartoon dreams coming true. Dance it out, me and you. Jump, jump, feel the beat moving fast, can't take a seat. Laughing bright under. Dance, dance, dance all night. Feel the colors, feel the light. Spin around under the moon, we'll become cartoons real soon. Dance, dance, let it go. Ooh, yeah. Feel the rhythm, let it show.